Lock or unlock your door from anywhere with a supporting smart home system using your phone. Expanding your security system solution with Home Connect technology, your keyless entry lock will now communicate wirelessly to security and home automation systems via Z-Wave. Up to 30 programmable user access codes for family and guests to use at the door, automatically turn on your heat or AC when you arrive. Get notifications when someone locks or unlocks your door, or check if your lock is locked. Featuring Smart Key Rekey technology, rekey the lock yourself in seconds in 3 easy steps.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Please do subscribe, like, share,